don't panic. That's it, we slow it down now, let the lights change. Cover your clutch, cover your clutch, cover your clutch. Into first, right? Go on, slowly up with the gas, slowly up with your clutch. That's it. Into second. I don't know why you panic. Into second. What did you do? It's a third.
No, everyone loves me.
Oh, keep it going. Oh, that way. Right over to you, right over there.
No, Dad, I can't.
No, just do
Dad,
some
can you just don't?
No.
I'll come down if you go up.
No,
Dad,
no. We're gonna carry on, keep going with your revs. Come on, more revs, keep going. Back over that way. Go on, oh, go on. Keep going inside side to turn. Turn now. Slow it right over there.
No, Dad, I can't.
Slow it right down.
Dad, can you please just do
Right,
it?
go on.
What if the car comes?
Go on. Well, we'll just stop and put our handbrake on. Go on, over that way. Go on, keep going. Go on now, go. Keep going up. Stop. Turn. That's it, go on.
Right.
We're going to park here then or something? Or? Let's park in there, yeah. Let's get ready to park in that bay and then stop.
Oh my God, go for the wall.
Brake on. Brake, clutch, that's it. Yeah. Stop. Handbrake. Out of gear. Clutch up. Yeah.